hello and welcome to my channel, Bala Krishna Kuasa. Please like, share and subscribe. The Chennakeshwar Temple of Belur, located in Karnataka, is one of the most exquisite examples of Hoysala architecture, renowned for its intricate sculptures and extraordinary craftsmanship. Built during the reign of the Hoysala dynasty, this temple stands as a monumental testament to their dedication to art, culture, and spirituality. Commissioned by King Vishnuvardhana in 1117, the temple was constructed to celebrate his military victory over the Chola dynasty at Talkad. Dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the temple enshrines Chennakeshwar, which translates to handsome Keshava. Over the centuries, successive Hoysala rulers and artisans contributed to its expansion, making it a masterpiece of medieval Indian architecture. The temple's architecture is characterized by its unique star-shaped platform, known as a stellate plan, which sets it apart from the conventional rectangular designs of earlier temple structures. This feature not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also makes it structurally resilient. The entire temple is constructed using soapstone, a material that was favored by the Hoysalas for its malleability, allowing for intricate and delicate carvings. The temple walls are adorned with an astounding array of sculptures that depict deities, mythical creatures, celestial beings, dancers, musicians, animals, and scenes from epics like the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavata Purana. Each carving reflects a level of precision and detail that is truly unparalleled. The interior of the temple is equally remarkable. The Navranga Mandapa, or central hall, is supported by intricately carved pillars, each with a distinct design. The central pillar, often regarded as the most outstanding, is polished to a metallic sheen that has survived the ravages of time. This hall also serves as a platform for dancers and musicians, a nod to the integration of art and religion in Hoysala culture. The Sanctum Sanctorum houses the main idol of Chennakeshwar, which is a striking example of Hoysala iconography. The deity is depicted in a standing posture, radiating a sense of divine grace and majesty. One of the most celebrated aspects of the Belur temple is its depiction of Madnikas or celestial maidens. These sculptures, carved on the temple's outer walls, are considered the epitome of Hoysala artistry. Each Madnika is unique, portraying various poses and expressions that showcase elegance, beauty, and poise. These figures are often accompanied by elaborate jewelry and ornaments, meticulously carved to create an impression of fluidity and realism. The temple complex also features a towering gopuram, which serves as the gateway to the sacred premises. This gateway, added in later years, complements the main structure and is adorned with detailed carvings that narrate mythological stories and historical events. The temple courtyard houses additional shrines and smaller structures, each contributing to the overall grandeur of the complex. The Hoysala emblem, depicting a warrior slaying a lion, is prominently displayed within the temple and symbolizes the courage and strength of the dynasty. The Chennakeshwar temple is not just an architectural marvel but also a center of cultural and spiritual activity. During its peak, it served as a hub for religious ceremonies, art, and scholarly pursuits. The temple continues to be an active place of worship, attracting devotees and tourists from around the world. Its significance is recognized internationally, as it is part of UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites. Festivals such as Vaishakha are celebrated with great fervor, drawing large crowds who come to pay homage to the deity and partake in the festivities. In the realm of Indian art and architecture, the Belur temple stands as a shining example of the synthesis of skill, devotion, and artistic vision. Its sculptures and architectural elements not only reflect the religious fervor of the Hoysalas but also their commitment to preserving and promoting cultural heritage. To this day, the temple inspires admiration and study, offering a glimpse into the grandeur and sophistication of medieval Indian civilization. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.